us by San Miguel Foods Corporation. At tuloy nga naman, of course, ladies and gentlemen, for this day, we're all gathered here to celebrate and express our love para sa ating pinamamahal na fur babies. And kaya naman po sa mga gustong mag-join, and to those who would like to register, I would like to remind you na hanggang 12 noon lamang po ang ating registration. So please make sure just approach our registration staff there. At mamaya, most especially after lunch or by 1 p.m., mapapanood po natin ang mga fur babies na rumampa and of course showcase their talents as well. At mamaya, ladies and gentlemen, we will also have some freebies for our active participants and most especially, okay, sa ating mga dearest friends, lalo-lalo na sa mga active participants or mga pet owners din mamaya at maya. So we would like to remind everyone that the registration will be until 12 noon at kapag naka-register, kumuha and make sure na meron po kayong ma-receive na scarves as this will be worn later on during the fashion show to properly identify the category kung saan po isasali ang inyong asalaan or yung alaga ninyo mamaya. And with that, of course, please remind everyone na para po sa ating napakaganda endeavor or event for today, this is bought by San Miguel Foods Corporation, and this is a product, or NutriChoice is a product made specifically for our pet and at the same time para naman sa ating hashtag #PalmMili members. So please make sure everyone, and by the way, para sa mga gusto rin pumili ng mga products or most especially NutriChoice products, all you have to do is just approach some of our staff here and they're very welcome to accommodate your inquiries or of course buy their products as well. At kaya naman po, everyone, as we're all gathered here for this very wonderful day, most especially to our PalmMili members, ladies and gentlemen, mamaya lamang po, at tunay nga naman, this is a great start for us, most especially to our Paul, okay, to our Paul families, at syempre naman, everyone, please stand by as ngayon at ngayon din po, we would like to present to you, syempre nga naman ang pinamamahal na performers natin, ang pinakasikat for this Nutri Show event. Diba? Para at least hindi lang naman mga tao pwedeng sumaya ng talak, kundi mga aso rin. Okay, maraming salamat Nutri and Chunky. And of course, everyone all throughout the event, kasama natin sila dito. So to those who would like to take a photo, of course, you're all welcome. And habang hindi rin natin na mag-start ang ating fashion show, ladies and gentlemen, we would like to remind of course, everyone, most especially our participants for the criteria for judging. But before that, allow me to read first our guidelines. Okay, first, the dog must not be in heat. Okay, so please make sure that they're in good conditions. Okay, and they must be well vaccinated, and at the same time must be well groomed and tamed. So please make sure everyone upon registration, need to check po nila na ang inyong mga pets. Okay, to make sure lang okay na maayos or well conditioned sila. And number 4. Who is also a Shih Tzu. And the name of the fur baby is Dairy. Alright, Dairy, show us what you got. Together with the fur mom, of course. Very cute din naman. Okay, thank you very much, Dairy. And let us also welcome fur baby number 5. Number 5 is a Chihuahua, and her name is Cassie. Alright, Cassie. Oops. Okay. You just have to guide him for daddy. Okay. Yeah. Wait, parang pwede tayo mababante konti kung kaya pa. Alright. Come on, Cassie. Okay. Thank you very much, Cassie. Next, we also have Aliyah. There she goes. Aliyah is our dog angel for today. Thank you very much, Aliyah. And let's also welcome, yan ang pero lang. Ayun, fur baby number 7. Fur baby number 7 is a Shih Tzu. Okay, and her name, yes everyone, her name is Tala. Okay, oops, that's okay. It's just, please let her forward just for a short while for the judges to see. Okay. There is Tala. Okay. Thank you so much. Ayan, ayaw na tuloy. Ayaw na tuloy. Ay, natakot. Thank you very much. Okay. Oops. Ay, gusto pa i-expose. Ay, nagod. Well, thank you very much. And we also have fur baby number 12. Okay. Fur baby number 12. Alright, if you're there, kindly join us here and present your pet. Okay, fur baby number 12 is also a Pomeranian. And the name of the pet is Alas. Alright. Okay, please put her down and let the judges see. Ayun. Diba? Thank you very much. Okay, and of course, ito na natin pala. We have fur baby number 9. Ready na rin. Together with our fur mom's fur baby. Okay. Fur baby number 9's name is Sky. Alright, there she goes. Okay, move forward lang tayo para makita na magiging ang judges. Oops. Okay, just a little bit. Once again, fur baby number 9 is Sky. Okay, maraming salamat fur baby number 9. And we also have fur baby number 13. Fur baby number 13. Wow. Okay, there it goes. Fur baby number 13 is Shih Tzu. And the name of the fur baby is Negra. Alright, wow. It's like we're inside the castle. Diba? There is Negra indeed. Maraming salamat, Negra, fur baby number 13. And now, how about fur baby number 14? There's also a Shih Tzu. And fur baby's name is Chloe. Alright, Chloe, show us what you got. Alright, very cute. Okay, just let the judges evaluate further. Alright. That is fur baby number 14, Chloe. Thank you, Chloe. Next, how about fur baby number 15? Fur baby number 15 is a very cute Chihuahua. Alright. Wow. Okay. And the fur baby's name is Baby. Alright. Okay, baby, show us what you got. Ayan. Alright. There it is. Very cute Shih Tzu. Thank you very much, baby, together with fur dad. Okay, how about fur baby number 16? We also have another Shih Tzu here. Fur baby number 16. Alright. And present your costume and your pet. And the pet's name is Sophie. Oops. I think she's kind of sleepy. Okay. Ayan. Palapitin mo lang konti. Okay. Let's great. Awesome. There it is. Once again, Sophie. Thank you very much, Sophie and the fur mom. Okay. We also have fur baby number 21. Once again, fur baby number 21, who is also a Shih Tzu. And the name is Sachi. Alright, here's your guest there, Sachi. Alright, just let forward, just let it move forward for a while. Come down. Once again, Sachi. And how about fur baby number 22? And number 22 as well, we have Saria. Okay. But of course, we also have fur baby number 24. Okay, fur baby number 24 is fur baby number 24 is a Pomeranian breed. And the name is Buster. Okay, show us your trick, Buster. Okay. Ayan. Nakita lang natin ang maigi. There it is. Thank you very much, Buster. Okay, and let us as well welcome fur baby number 23. Fur baby number 23. Once again, we would like to call on fur baby, the fur mom or fur dad of fur baby number 23. Okay. Ayun na. Alright, kindly join us here. And kindly present your fur. Okay, kindly present your fur baby. Once again, we have here fur baby number 23. And the name of the pet is Polo. Alright. Got Polo here. Looks like Popeye. Okay. Any tricks? Okay, just let them see it for a while, sir. Okay. Wow, there it goes. That's the trick. Thank you very much. Okay, how about fur baby number 26? Fur baby number 26. Fur baby number 26 here is a breed of Yorkie. And the name of the name of the breed, or the name of the pet, sorry, is actually Chili. Her name is Chili. Okay, just a short look. Kind of shy. Okay, once again, fur baby number 26. We have Chili. Thank you. Next, we have fur baby number 27. Fur baby number 27. Okay. Calling on the fur baby, or fur mom, or fur dad of number 27. While waiting, let's have first fur baby number 28. Number 28. If you're here, okay, your head is up. Once again, fur baby number 28. Alright, done. How about, let's welcome fur baby number 29. Fur baby number 29 is Pomeranian. And the name is Chloe. And we also have a short interesting fact here. Summer in the Philippines is not complete if you will not eat or taste the dirty ice cream that makes kids excited in summer. And indeed, sorbetes, which is known to many. And sorbetes is a Filipino version of ice cream, usually peddled from street carts in the Philippines. The sorbet or sorbeteros who peddle them become welcome sights, and their bells becomes music to the ears to those who just need a delightful treat on a particular warm day, especially this summer. So the inspiration of our pet costume contest for today, the sorbetes, the truly Pinoy's favorite. Sorbetes. Oh, there's a change costume. Okay. I wonder if you have free sorbetes for everyone here, Chloe. Okay, thank you very much once again for baby number 29, Chloe. Okay, thank you. We also have fur baby number 30. Okay, fur baby number 30 is a pug. And the name of the pet is Kelly. Alright, Kelly, show us what you got. Ups, maybe one more. Please step forward and let the judges evaluate. Ups. The dog really wants to play. I wonder what trick you can show us here. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much for baby number 30. How about for baby number 31? For baby number 31 here is a Chihuahua. Alright. Okay. Indeed a pet lover. Okay, just present your pet by the judges. And the name of the Chihuahua is Shiru. Okay. Let's let it sit for a while. Very cute. And indeed, we do consider them as part of the family. Oops. Yeah. And indeed, we have a genuine pet lover here. Okay. Thank you very much. Once again, Shiru. Okay, how about fur baby number 32? Fur baby number 2 is also a Yorkie. Okay, and the name is Non-Boy. Alright, Non-Boy, show us what you got. Thank you very much, Non-Boy. We also have fur baby number 33. Fur baby number 33 is also a Chihuahua. And the name of the pet is Hanarinya. Alright, Hanarinya. Okay, there is Hanarinya, everyone. Very much. All right. And now let's welcome fur baby number 35. And now let's welcome fur baby number 38. 38. Okay. Oops. Fur baby number 38 is a Shih Tzu. And her name is Sophia. Alright, Sophia, please move forward so the judges can see properly. Okay, once again, okay, let's go on. Thank you very much, fur baby number 38, Nancy. And how about fur baby number 40? Fur baby number 40. 39. Okay. Fur baby number 39. Show us what you got. Another Shih Tzu right here. Okay, so the name of the pet is Red. Thank you very much for baby number 39. And now, number 40. Okay, number 40 is also a Shih Tzu. And the name is Sophia. Alright, just let the judges see what Sophia got here with us today. There it is. Okay, thank you very much, Sophia. And now how about fur baby number 41? Okay, fur baby number 41 is a mini pincher. And the name of the pet is Peachy. Alright, Peachy, show us what you got. Alright, good. Thank you very much for fur baby number 41. Fur baby number 42, we have here Aaron or Yorkie. And the pet's name is Chi-Chi. So Chi-Chi is like very with us today, okay? Show us what you got, Chi-Chi. Alright, just stay with them for a while. I'll let them see what Chi-Chi got with us today. Alright. Thank you very much, Chi-Chi. Okay, fur baby number 44.
Yeah,